up at the little church. This is the church of Costa di Trex. Our area is called Costa di Trex, where Pino and I were married. And tonight we're here to enjoy the good food at the food festival, or Sagra, called Amici della Montagna. And there's Pino about to get in line. He came early, so the line is not too long. We're very, very lucky. Here's the guy reading a book while he's waiting in line. And we're going to get our menu and see what's being offered tonight. And after we have been in line and ordered our food and chosen a number for our table, one of these tables in the huge tent where people will be eating, we go into the tent, and this time as we went into the tent, what a surprise. Local singers, people singing the songs of the mountain, the cantarecchia. Country festival needs Umbria country music. Doing cantarecchia. Bravi! Are with the family having their wonderful dinner at this Amici della Montagna Festa. Look at the goodness they're all enjoying. Everyone of all ages enjoying their dinner here tonight, listening to music too. And I popped into the kitchen after enjoying the singing and saw the volunteers who are there cooking up the local Umbrian goodness. These are all local neighbors. They're rural people of the mountain area because we're at the festa called the Friends of the Mountain. There we are, the plates of ham ready to go out, the prosciutto, and foods are being fried up. This woman is making, it looks to me like she's going to be making the torta umbra. Maybe some small little pizzette. Chiarina is definitely making the torta umbra, which people will enjoy with sausage, with greens, with cheeses. It's an Umbrian specialty. And there's Peppa. She's always on the arvoltoli, which is the dessert, the rural dessert. It's fried bread, and the way Peppa makes them, she's so proud of them. Some people will have them with creamy Nutella on. I was going to have a little vino here at the Sagra. I already have my prosciutto and melon, and my pasta alla norcina, which is with cream and sausage. It's typical of Umbria. A lot of people all around us eating, a lot of noise here. This is one of the young volunteers clearing tables over there at the window. The young people are picking up the trays to serve at table. Inside are the cooks, and later we'll wander and check out a few of the tables and see what people are eating at Amici della Montagna, this food festival on our mountain. Oh, this lady almost fell. Pino opts for the grilled meats after his first course, and with good red wine, and I chose a vegetarian delight, which is panzanella, cold bread salad. Nothing like it in the summer. Take that Umbrian crusty bread, soak it in a bit of water, make your salad with tomato, salad, vinegar, oil. And now Pino is getting his dessert, which is cantaloupe, served by a lovely young girl. Posso vedere la maglia da dietro? Let's look at her shirt. I said, where did that come?
from? And she said, my trip to America. Ciao.
And lots of chatting with the locals, including our mayor there in yellow, Stefania Proietti. After all, she lives right there near the festival. She's one of the Amici della Montagna. And with her is Donatella, who works in the city as a member of the city council. And then what joy for the singing.
Country music of Umbria.
La porta verso la città. Gli occhi tuoi c'è il sole, c'è il colore, le viole delle valli non c'è più. Se senti la sua voce, è un'armonia di pace che si diffonde, dice se vuoi vivere felice, devi vivere qua su.
Musical backdrop to the dinners will be served. Campagnola Bella, my beautiful countryside woman, my queen.
And joining in, the people singing Cantarecchia are wonderful singers of opera music from Assisi, Umberto Rinaldi, his lovely daughter Giulia. They are part of the group of Commedia Armonica, and they sing some superb classical music as well as medieval music. So many musical styles joining together in the pleasure of singing along at the Sagra of Amici della Montagna.
Umbrian country